But the waves won't call me. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's put our capo on fret number 4 and play it in G. Okay, so capo on fret number 4, and the intro is E minor. Sorry. E minor to D off to C. E minor and then D, C, and then D, now this is the third time we're doing the same thing. Oh, and then C, G, D, C. Again the second time. Third. Okay, so at the end there's like a bridge. But the waves, E minor, D, G, D, and then C. Right, that's like right at the end of the chorus. But the waves won't call me. Whatever he's singing. Okay, so these are all basic chords. I'm gonna put chord diagrams here to teach you how to hold the chords, but the beginner player is going to strum this. I'm using a pick here, but you don't really need one. You can do this without a pick, and I'm gonna demonstrate how that would sound. See, it sounds pretty much the same. The technique though is, let's start with like beginner chords. We're just gonna, for the beginner, you want to just get the rhythm of the song. So that's just, so for each chord you're just strumming just once, right? And then intermediate and advanced. Intermediate is down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So the general pattern of the strumming is just down, up, down, up, right? And then you combine that with the chords. And moving into second verse, I'm going to show you how to play the advanced player. You have to mute the strings, right? So it's still the same strumming pattern, still the same chords, but instead of just strumming, you're gonna mute, right? And then second verse starts with E minor, na 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 na, G, G, and then C. Oh, so you can put a G as a passing chord for advanced, and instead of just E minor, D, and then C, you can put a G and then C. All right. G and then C. So it's E minor, G, C. That's your verse. Still the down, up, down, up. And then oh, I know. D, C. The waves won't break my bones. Okay, so when he starts belting the but the waves, you're gonna play a G instead of an E. Don't break my bones. So G, D, G, D, and then off to C. But the waves won't break my bones. And then at the end there's like the more that I love, which is just So that's pretty much how you're gonna play this song. If you wanna go fancy with it, you can even do like a little Alright, and if you guys want a fingerstyle tutorial, I can do that. Just let me know in the comment section below. But that would pretty much fall in the same chords. I can show you how to play it like with the same chords. It would sound something like alright, and it all falls in the scale. I believe that's the pentatonic, but yeah, that's a different tutorial altogether. Here I just want to teach you how to play this beginner, intermediate, advanced. It's not really a fingerstyle tutorial, but you can just add that in to, if you're doing a performance, you can put it in your intro, you can put it in like the bridge or something to just make things more interesting. But yeah, that's been it for this tutorial. Do let me know any other new songs you want me to cover, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and you like this kind of content. Smash the like button, share it with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.